AOS, this is Chef Zena here. I miss seeing everyone. Today we're going to make a vegetable black bean soup. This soup recipe was requested by the Wise family. Today's recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 diced carrot, 1 diced small green pepper, 1 stalk of celery diced, 1 small onion diced, fresh chopped garlic, 1 1/4 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 1/4 teaspoons of ground cumin, ground cayenne pepper to taste, 2 1/2 cups of black beans, either fresh or canned, 2 cups of vegetable broth, and 3/4 of a cup of fresh salsa. For tools, you will need a stock pot and a spoon. Okay, so the first step that we want to do for our beans is we want to sort through them and discard any pebbles or remove any of them that are broken. And then once we sort through the beans, we want to pour them into a colander. Rinse your beans very well. And then continue to sort and discard any broken ones or any pebbles. Place your beans in a bowl and soak them overnight. After soaking beans overnight, place them in a strainer, rinse them very well, and remove any broken or split pieces. Place your beans in a pot and cover them with 2 inches of water. Now that we're at the stove, we want to place our heat on high and bring our beans to a boil. Our black beans have come to a boil. Lower your heat and simmer your beans for approximately 1 hour, adding water as needed to keep the beans covered. Now that it's been an hour, we need to check our beans for doneness. Beans are done when they can easily be mashed between your fingers. Continue to cook until the proper texture is achieved. Remove your beans from your pan and serve immediately, or place them on a dish and refrigerate to cool completely. When they are cold, place them in a container and cover them. You can store your beans in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. Place your pot on the stove on medium heat and add your oil. Add your green peppers, your celery, your carrots, and your onions to your pan and saute until tender. Now that your vegetables are tender, add your garlic, cumin, chili powder, and cayenne, stirring and continuing to cook for 1 more minute. Add your beans, your salsa, and our vegetable stock to the pot. Stir your soup mixture, place the lid on the pot, reduce your heat to low, and simmer for 30 minutes. Our soup has been simmering for 30 minutes. It's time to do a final tasting of salt and pepper. Hi AOS, thanks for joining me. Until next time, here's our black bean soup.